Securing funding for scientific research requires navigating unique paths, especially on niche platforms dedicated entirely to advancing science. Unlike traditional commercial crowdfunding sites where backers expect physical consumer products in return, scientific crowdfunding relies heavily on public curiosity, transparency, and a shared passion for discovery. Understanding what separates a funded proposal from a stalled initiative on experiment involves looking closely at preparation, communication, and community engagement. The foundation of any successful campaign on the platform begins with a clearly defined and realistic funding goal. Researchers often make the mistake of inflating their budgets to cover peripheral expenses, but experienced project creators calculate precise costs for lab supplies, field work, or equipment usage. Keeping the financial target modest and attainable increases the likelihood of reaching the all-or-nothing threshold required by the platform, where missing the target means receiving zero funds. Breaking down precisely how every dollar will be spent builds immediate trust with potential supporters who want to see fiscal responsibility. Clarity and accessibility in project storytelling dictate how far a proposal will travel beyond an immediate academic circle. Translating complex jargon into compelling, plain language ensures that everyday citizens, science enthusiasts, and students can grasp the core hypothesis and its real-world significance. Successful project leads frame their research around a compelling narrative that answers why the work matters right now and what potential impact a successful discovery could unlock for society or the natural world. Active communication and regular updates serve as vital metrics during the active window of a campaign. Creators who routinely post laboratory logs, field notes, or behind-the-scenes photographs keep their audience engaged and demonstrate momentum. Backers on experiment do not receive material commodities, but rather buy into an interactive scientific journey. Providing frequent touchpoints transforms passive observers into active advocates who are far more likely to share the campaign link within their personal digital networks. Leveraging existing professional and personal networks heavily influences early momentum, which acts as a critical catalyst for algorithmic visibility. Securing initial commitments from colleagues, university departments, friends, and family during the opening days signals early validation to the wider public browsing the platform. Campaigns that secure a healthy percentage of their goal within the first week consistently outperform those that rely purely on organic discovery later in the timeline. Cultivating these outreach channels well before launching the page makes the difference between hitting the target and falling short.